how do you make a delicious and healthy torta. So put some oil into a pan, make sure it's hot, and put a chicken breast into the pan and fry it very quickly, but don't turn it, just leave it for about 4 or 5 minutes, because what's going to happen is this succulent chicken breast is going to brown on one side. So what you want to do is you want to cook it on one side, then you want to flip it over and you want to cook it on the other side. And you can see here the edges are starting to go white, which means this chicken breast is very close to being cooked on one side. I'm just going to cook it for another minute or two more, just to give it that very, very delicious kind of coating. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over. It looks like it's pretty well done. And sticking to the pan a little bit. So you can see here, when I turn it over, you can see how deliciously browned it is in this pan. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of oil to this. There we go. And I'm going to kind of let the oil run down into the pan. And then I'm going to flip over the other one too. There we go. And again, we're going to leave this for 4 minutes or so. Now, while the chicken is cooking, you can start preparing your bolillo, your bun. So first we add some mayonnaise, then some spinach, and then some mushrooms. This is looking so good, so delicious. Some onions, a few more mushrooms here. Some tomatoes. Starting to look good. Look at this succulent chicken breast. Delicious. And it's cooked beautifully. I love it. So what we do is we take the chicken breast and we put it into a separate dish and we let it cool for 5 minutes, because believe it or not, this is still cooking inside because of the hot oil. So we just leave it in a separate dish for about 5 minutes. And now for la pièce de résistance. We take it and we put it on the torta. Look at that, it's delicious. Look at that. Maybe another one there. Look at that, it's cooked beautifully. It's succulent. Succulent. And it's so moist. It's so moist, unbelievable. And to wrap it up, we add some jalapenos. And this is our finished torta. I'm just going to, there we go. Look at that. Delicious. Succulent. So there you have it. A healthy torta. I can't wait. I can't wait to eat it.